stands for Nakiusang Kusog sa Estudyante. It is a political party and at the same time a mass organization based in UPV Cebu College.
After the lifting of martial law in the Philippines, the administration, the faculty, and the students formed a student council in UPV Cebu. But it was ruled by popular politics that did not carry the interests of the students.
NKE was victorious in its first participation in the Student Council election last 1987 with a 13-1 victory. Through the years, NKE evolved from an alliance of student organizations to a party mass organization and has been in the forefront in protecting and promoting students' rights and welfare.
NKE envisions a democratic and nationalist view. Democratic because NKE believes that each of us has the right to actively participate in every decision-making that affects us as a student and as a Filipino. Nationalist because NKE believes that we have not yet fully attained a political, economic, and cultural independence. Hence, we, the UP students, as Scholars ng Bayan, and as catalysts for change, have the moral obligation to be an active participants in the advancement of genuine political, economic, and cultural development.
As a political party, NKE fights to take the leadership among the students. Guided by its principles, it collectively engages in the local political and electoral arena and endeavors to maintain its leadership in the Student Council, being the highest legitimate body representative of the students' interests.
NKE harasses, organizes, and mobilizes the broadest number of students so as to keep them informed on the pressing and local national issues that concern their rights and welfare, and to give them a way to forge unity and to act in these matters.
As a political party in mass organization, NKE supports the students in the exercise of their democratic rights and lead them to liberation from campus repression.
Why NKE? Kaya ang NKE nag-cater sa mga needs sa students o sa masses. Aside from that, they offer genuine service. And we believe that it's always principle over personality. So NKE na ta.
NKE fights for a nationalist, scientific, and mass-oriented education.